Yeah, this video didn't really account for much. Just something I thought I'd pass on. The customer here decided they were going to clean up the back lot, and they had a large oak tree out front that was hollowed out and getting to be a danger to not only the dwelling but to anyone walking by or the driveway. But this tree cutting crew, cleanup, whatever you want to call them, these fellas got there 8:30 in the morning and they were done by 4:30 in the afternoon. I mean, this was quite a crew. They had bucket truck, two big stump grinders. I mean, when they come in here and set after, now, I mean, they got after it. And I was just impressed with how much work a crew of guys can do that are used to working together. I mean, they had a truck that they moved the bigger pieces and limbs off with. Everything else they chipped up, and they had two different chipper trucks. So I mean, these guys were set up for getting it done. And anyway, it was just kind of amazing to me. They removed all the crap that was in the back. Now there's probably 200 ton of flagstone that's going to get moved out of there to end up building a waterfall in-ground koi pond deal or something, being these are Asian people. But it was just, well, like I said, nothing shy of amazing to watch these people go to work. And there was all that vine and ivy, but anyway, that back line, when they get it all finished up, then there's going to be a privacy fence go back through there. All the neighbors are complaining. I don't know how many of them whining and carrying on. And like I told them, these people have the right to improve their property. And when they get their privacy fence back up, you won't have any complaints after that. So don't worry about it. The surveyor has come out and set temporary stakes so that they knew exactly where the line was before all this started, but they're going to give it a proper survey come Monday, so all the corners are marked, because the west side line is on an angle compared to the rest of the area there. Startled me. I forgot I had put any video in here. I'm sure that will get everyone's attention just like it did mine while I was doing a halfway edit on this. But there's a lot of improvement going on here. Get the picket fence, it's cedar pickets. They had been going through everything from vinyl, this, that, and the other, but going to end up with a shadow board cedar picket fence, I believe. It gives you gives you the best buy for your money. Thanks for watching.